Good morning, students. This is Wasim on Public School. Today we are solving the fourth problem from the exercise 12.2. Our question is a card of circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding. First one is a minor segment and second one is a major sector. Okay, first one. See here given a circle, this is a circle with the center O. Okay, the circle of radius is 10 centimeter. The length is 10 centimeter. Okay, so here this angle is formed at the center. It subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center. Okay, that means an angle is 90 degree, right angle. Okay, so this is point A, this is B. Okay. So find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Okay, minor segment. And segment is formed with the one chord and the corresponding chord. This is a minor segment. Okay, so A, B, C or A, C, B is a minor segment. Okay. So given is the radius equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, and the angle theta equals to 90 degree. To find what? To find area of first one minor segment, minor segment, and second one is a major sector. Okay. See, to calculate the minor segment, first we have to calculate the area of this sector. Okay, this sector OACB, the area of OACB. Okay. So now the area of minor segment, equals to area of minor segment equal to area of minor segment ACB equal to area of OACB, minus area of OACB minus area of OAB, Okay. See, the area of OACB is in sector. Okay, so area of OACB equal to the area. Now we calculate the area of OACB. Okay, by use of this angle theta. Okay, formula is in theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is a 90 degree. 90 by 360 into pi 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 10 centimeter. Now I am going to write this radius r as an r into r, that is 10 into 10. Okay. So 0 get cancel, 9 1 ja and 4 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja. Okay. So and the 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So total it becomes 55 by 7, 55 by 7, and 50 into 11, 11 into 50 by 7, means an equal to 78.5 centimeter square. Okay, so this is area of OACB, the sector OACB. Now we calculate the area of OAB. The area of OAB equals to the area of OAB. That means you calculate the area of the triangle. Okay, this triangle. Okay. Let us assume this AO is in base and OB is in height. Okay. This is in base. AO is in base. Base is in 10 centimeter. Height is also 10 centimeter because the radii of the same circle. Okay. So area of OAB equal to area of triangle AOB. Okay. So area of triangle is given by half into base into height. Okay. So half base is 10 centimeter, height 10 centimeter. Okay. 2 1 2 5 so 50 centimeter square. The area of this triangle OAB is 50 centimeter square. Okay. So now you substitute the value of the area of sector OACB and the area of triangle OAB. Okay. So area of minor segment. Okay. Area of. So now I write this area of minor segment as an ACB. Okay. Area of ACB equal to area of ACB. Minor segment is equal to ACB. Okay. Equal to area of OACB. Area of OACB is how much? 78.5 minus the area of OAB. Area of OAB is how much? 50. Okay. So it becomes a 28.5 centimeter square. Okay. This is what an area of the minor segment. Okay. So next is what? To find the major sector. Major sector, here within the circle and two sectors are formed. One sector is in OACB and another sector is OA. It may be this point be D. OADB is a major sector. The area of major sector. To calculate the area of sector, we want what? The angle theta is formed. Okay, that theta would be 270 because this 90 plus 270 then 360 degree. Okay, it will 270 degree. So the area of major sector OADB. So here the area of this OADB equal to the formula is in theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So theta is how much? 270 degree. 270 by 360. Okay, into pi 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 10 centimeter. 10 into 10. Okay. So 0 it cancel. Okay. 3 9 ja, 3 13 ja, sorry 3 12 ja, okay, and 2 6 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja, okay, so 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, so it becomes how much? 11 3 ja, 33 5 into 5 into 10 is becomes 235.5 centimeter square. This is what an area of major segment. Sorry, area of the major sector. The area of major sector. Here the major sector is OADB. OADB equal to 235.5 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the answer. So now the fifth problem. So do this fifth problem as a homework. The next one is a sixth one problem. a chord of circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and the major segments of the circle by use of n pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay. So now sixth problem, that is our question is a chord of a circle of radius of 15 centimeter subtends at an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and the major segment. Here the minor segment is an PRQ and major segment is P. Let me assume this major segment B. Major segment B S. This is an PSQ. Okay. So now the given is a radius. Radius is 15 centimeter, and the angle subtended at the center with the two radii of a circle is an 60 degree. Okay. So here to find is the minor segment and the major segment, areas of major and the minor segment. Okay, so area of sector OPRQ. So OPRQ is by use of our formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi here you are using the value of pi is in 3.142. Okay, so theta is in 60 degree and 360 into 3.14 into the radius is in 15 centimeter. Here the radius is given in 15 centimeter. So each of length is in 15 centimeter. So by the simplification we are getting 117.75 centimeter square. This is what an area of the sector OBRQ. Okay. So we have to calculate the minor and the major segment. Means you have to calculate the area of PRQ minor segment and the major segment PSQ. Okay. So first you calculate before calculating the minor segment, area of the minor segment. You know you subtract the this entire area, the OPQ in the area OPRQ, then you getting a area of the minor segment PRQ. Okay, so first you calculate. See these two radii are in the equal length, that is 15 centimeter. So that the angle OPQ equal to angle OQP, because it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so if OP equal to OQ, then angle OPQ equal to angle OQP. Okay, therefore the total interior angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Angle O plus angle P plus Q equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here OPQ plus instead of OQP, I am writing this OPQ. Okay, so OPQ plus OPQ is 2 times of angle OPQ plus 60 degree equals to 180 degree. So okay, 2 OPQ. By transposing this, we get 180 minus 60 degrees 120 degree. Okay, the angle OPQ equals to 60 degree. So we get what this is also 60 degree. Okay, so if this is 60, this is also 60. That means it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so the area of this equilateral triangle. Okay, the area of triangle OPQ is root 3 by 4 a square. This is the formula to find the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so the root 3 by 4 into the area is A means in side of a triangle, 15 centimeter, 15 into 50. By simplification we get 56.25 to 1.73. That means 97.3125 centimeter square. This is what an area of this triangle. Okay, so our aim is to calculate the area of a minor segment PRQ, area of PRQ. Okay, to calculate this area of PRQ, we subtract this area OPRQ. Okay, we subtract the area of OPQ from OPRQ. Okay, then we get the area of minor segment. So area of the segment PRQ equals to area of PRQ equals to area of OPRQ minus OPQ minus OPQ. Okay, so area of OPRQ is how much? 117.75 minus the area of OPQ, area of this triangle is 97.3125. It becomes an 20.4375 centimeter square. Okay, this is what an area of the minor segment. Okay, what about the major segment? Here the major segment is an PSQ or PQS is a major segment. Okay, so major segment equal to the area of circle, entire area of the circle minus this area of PRQ. If you subtract this area of PRQ from the entire circle, we get the area of the major segment PSQ. Okay, so area of entire circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, so by substituting the value of the radius, we get what? Radius and the respective areas, then we get finally the answer, that is 686.0625 centimeter square. This is what an area of the major segment. Okay, so area of the corresponding minor segment is at 20.4375 centimeter square, and similarly the major segment is 686 something centimeter square. Okay, so this is the sixth problem. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Thank you.